So we'll just start with this Muc Off display unit. I think I have everything that I need. I just need a small toolbox that I use to work on my motorcycles. I figured out what Allen size I need. We'll just keep it here for now. The boxes are open, if you guys can see. Like, we have a pamphlet, we have some supporting beams, we have the transformer or the charger for lightening up this unit. We have the 5 shelves, and then we have the side beams over here that we need to mount. So let me just open everything up. So the first step was I just removed this packaging paper or packaging plastic from all these side supports. We'll go by this. We just need to install each beam first. So if you look at it, each beam has a separate notch on each side. So you see this one slightly bigger than the other side. So the thinner or the slimmer side goes in this notch. And that's how you know which side is the correct side, or which beam goes to which side. So our initiation is done. We have the 2 side beams ready. I just put like a bolt here to hold this in place with a wing nut. So this side is done as well. I think we are good here. So after tightening the first wing nut here, I just put the 2 main beams lying down, and then we'll go ahead and hold this to the frame. So it will be like the part of the frame or the subframe. I'll just hand tighten the bolts for now. Here we'll do the same with the other side. So we'll just tighten this bolt first with a wing nut. So we'll go ahead, tighten these. I'm just unwrapping the light beam. Let me use a cutter to cut it off. So now just for you guys, you can see there are 4 bolts, 2 on this side and 2 on this frame, that needs to be connected to mount this light beam, and we'll start with the process. So let me get the bolts. So now the last step is nothing but just to finish this up, install all these shelves, install this in place, and I guess we'll connect this transformer wires. Let me open this later. Let me first install all these shelves. Alright, so now that you can see, the first 2 shelves we installed did not have like a light LED strip in them. But like the other 3 that we got them, other 3 that we took out had an LED strip. So we'll just go and place them on the top like this. Transformer right here, which will connect to this adapter. So let's get this started. I'll just unwire all of these first. Connect a little prettier. I'll put all the wires snipped in tightly. And we have some of these tabs. I think these go on the side, if I'm not wrong. Yep, right here. Step 3 is to lube. So we'll have our lubricants here. Great. Thank you guys for watching the video. Take care. Bye.